Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm just going to be jumping right on into this because I am super busy and got a lot of stuff going on today, so I'm just going to go ahead and jump in. What we're going to be making today is scalloped potatoes. Now we make these pretty much every year, not specifically for the holidays, but they are really good for your holiday table. So what we're going to do is just go over the ingredients and jump right in. So I've got 4 large potatoes that I've got soaking in water, and I just got them cut really thin, about 1/4 of an inch. And then I've got 1 1/4 cup of milk, a cup of cheddar cheese. I've got green onion, garlic, melted butter. In here I've got 3 tablespoons of flour, salt, pepper, and a little bit of nutmeg. So let's just get right on into this, guys. Okay, first things first, we're going to add our milk into a bowl. Along with our spices and our flour. We're just going to give this a mix. Add in your green onions and your garlic. And give that another mix. And set that aside. Okay, now what we're going to do is I've just got an 8x8 pan. You can use a bigger pan if you want, and I just oiled it with a little bit of avocado oil. And now what I'm going to do is start layering my potatoes in. You can layer them however you want. And then we're going to take a little bit of our milk mixture here and just ladle that right over the top. And then add some more potatoes. I'm just going to finish this up real quick. I'm going to repeat the process until all of my potatoes are gone, and I will meet you right back here for the next step. Okay guys, I am just finishing up the last bit of my potatoes. And then we're just going to pour over the remaining sauce. Add our butter just right over the top. This is just going to help get that nice golden color on top later in the cooking process. And now we're just going to add on our cheese. You can add on as much or as little as you like. Now you're just going to pop on a tin foil lid, and you're going to bake this in the oven for 30 minutes. You're going to take the lid off, and then you're going to put it back in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes, or until the top gets nice and golden brown and the potatoes are cooked through. So I will go ahead and do that, and I will show you what it looks like when it's done. Alright guys, here's what it looks like when it's done. The top is nice and golden brown. The potatoes are so tender. So I'm going to let these cool. I'm going to put the foil back on so that way they're ready to go tomorrow. I like to cook a lot of stuff in advance. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to let it cool down, put the top on, pop it in the refrigerator so that way tomorrow I can just heat it up and it's good to go. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Hit that red subscribe button down below. And be part of the family here at the Southern Rustic. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.